Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we have another beautiful recipe in the house. Today we got Mongolian lamb on the menu. We're gonna teach you how to make the Mongolian lamb in a perfect way. Let's begin with the ingredient. Today I break the ingredient in three parts. I got my marination here, the lamb, onion, and then oil here, and then the sauce part here. So I'm going to start cutting this lamb into this stripe as thin as I can, and I'm going to marinate with this ingredient. Then it's going to sit in the fridge for 2 hours. Then we start. So here we have 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of garlic. We got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half tablespoon of bicarb soda. We got 500 grams of boneless lamb steak. We have 2 brown onion, 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. We have 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger. We got 2 tablespoons of Chinese 5 spice. We got 1 big spoon of hoisin sauce. We got here 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and I'll be using 1 big spoon of crushed chili. So I got the lamb steak. Trying to get out the thin pieces as I can. So when you got thin pieces, it's really easy to cook. Doesn't take, it's like a flash cooking. It's not going to take longer. First I'm going to start with the marination. So I'm going to crack this egg into the bowl. You can use the fork and break it. Then slowly you're going to add all the liquid. Soy sauce. I got the bicarb soda. A little bit of water. Got my sugar in it. Garlic. And we got this corn flour. To add this the lamb into it. Mixing in well. So make sure you coat it with all of the lamb. Then it's gonna sit in the fridge for 2 hours. So I'm going to glad wrap it. It's going in the fridge now. So meanwhile, I'm preparing the sauce. Here we have a hoisin sauce, crushed chili, but you can use the chili sauce if you want. This is really hot, so I'm just going to use the one small teaspoon. And I got this chopped ginger. And I have this oyster sauce. Got my 5 spice Chinese spices. If you think it's too thick, just gonna add a touch of water here. This is our sauce. It's ready to go. We got our pan on high heat. It's going to start with a little bit of oil. You can see it's already too hot. Then we start frying the lamb. It's a thin piece of meat, so it shouldn't take longer to cook. As you see, like, we're not cooking all of the lamb once, so we divide into 3 parts, so it's not going to be overcrowded on the pan, and then it will cook evenly. That's why we break into 3 parts. It's going on the side. So we have finished all cooking. So that's the end result of the lamb. And we got our pan on heat again. As you can see, we're not using any salt today. The reason we're not using any salt is the soy sauce is salty. We got hoisin sauce, which is salty. To make that balance, so we put the sugar in it. So sugar and salt will be balanced this. So once it reaches to heat, we're gonna put the oil, the remaining oil, and then just flash cook it. Our onion. It doesn't have to be brown, just heat them up. And then we are going to add the sauce. Previously we made it. The sauce going here. If you like spicy, you can add more chili. It's all on your taste buds. Mix them well. And we got our lamb here finally. This is enough for up to 4 people. You can eat with the rice, or even noodles goes really well with this. I'm going to add a touch of water. And bring down all the aroma and the flavor which is thick on our pan. It's good to go. Here we go. So Mongolian Lamb.